Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to your class of social studies. Dear students, open book page number 22. Come to the exercise. Label the neighboring countries of Pakistan with the help of given directions. Dear students, here is the map of Pakistan. We have to label or write the names of Pakistan's neighboring countries here. With the help of this direction, compass. Do you know which are the neighboring countries of Pakistan? These are the neighboring countries of Pakistan: Afghanistan, Iran, China, India. These four are our neighbor countries. You can see here are 4 columns empty. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to fill these columns with the correct country name. First, we have to read where are these countries located. Afghanistan is located to the northwest, okay? Afghanistan to the northwest, Iran to the west, China to the northeast, and India to the east. Dear students, focus on these directions. Here we are given 4 sides in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. This is Pakistan and surroundings are the sides. This side is north, northeast, east, and southeast. Okay? This is west, this is northwest. So, north and south, east and west. So, dear students, look at this direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is northwest, this is southwest. So, dear students, in southwest we have Arabian Sea. So, this is west. In west, located is country Iran. Can you read here? Iran to the west. Let's read the instruction. Afghanistan to the northwest. Where is northwest? This is Pakistan. This is northwest. This is Pakistan. This is northwest. So, where is Afghanistan? Afghanistan to the northwest. Come to the China. China to the northeast. Northeast. This is Pakistan. This is northeast of Pakistan. Here is China. Come to the India. India to the east. This is Pakistan. This is east of Pakistan. Where is east? Here is east. India is located in the east of Pakistan. So, dear students, here we have labeled the neighboring countries of Pakistan. I hope you have done very well. You have to show me how you have done it and send me the picture. So, dear students, now you have learned about the maps. That maps are the representation of any area or a flat drawing of any place as shows from the sky. Now it is your homework to define a map. Give a short definition of a map. I'll be back with next interesting lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care and do your homework carefully.